Ready, set, go! Okay, one point. Okay, ulit. Okay. Sila, mababa lang. Okay, parang lugi ah. Okay. Okay, 1 point. Panalo na ang Team Irish. Next. Palit mo din naman. Okay. Best of pa tayo. Best of 5. 2, 3, go! Okay, 1 point. Galingan mo yun! Ayusin mo! Okay, concentrate! Yes! Mababa na kasi. Swerte. Okay, last one. Okay. Okay na. Okay, 2-0 ulit. Okay, next. Oh, last one pa. Last one. Three, 2, 1, go!
Holy shit, I got a kid.
Ano yun? Okay, you can do it, Chiwa. Kailangan. 2-0. Wala pa rin. Yan, baka pasa na ang flooring, baka pasa. Wala po nasa para bumili. Tinitipang pa. Okay.
Shit is real weak.
Okay, 1 point.
This is great. Ain't nobody touching.
Okay, 2 points. Last one.
Hey, I'm a brother that can finally wear blue. Why's his mama calling all the time? Leave me the fuck alone, bitch.
Okay. Last one. Okay, wala pa na pa ang isa. Galing nga. Nice one, you. See you, walang pag-asa. Nice one, you. Okay, balik. Last one.
Trying to find myself like an unexpected mother. I'm balling on the court, my back and my niggas trying to now I'm at the club, I tell my way to get in. I look up in the VIP, my goodness, there I am. I signal to him, let me even hear what
Ay, sayang.
who the fuck you think he is? Took a glass bottle shot.
Okay, malalo na ang Blue Team Irish.